kind and extremely energetic. We have one of the coolest actresses with us today, Daisy Shah. Welcome to Bollywood Live.
Thank you.
So we are here. You are rehearsing for the Dabangg tour.
It's the
Bang tour,
yes.
right? Sorry. So you have to say the Bang tour, okay,
Yes.
guys? So Daisy Shah is rehearsing today, and we have an exclusive preview for you guys. So you guys will see it soon. But before that, tell us, how excited are you?
I'm very excited to go for this tour first of all because like even when I was a dancer and I was assisting, I had not really gone on a tour with Mr. Khan.
Yeah.
So being one of his actresses, going with him on a tour is it's a big thing. So yeah, I'm
totally.
pretty much excited.
Yeah. It's been a hot day and you are
Very much,
rehearsing,
yeah.
you know, tirelessly. How's it been? How's the rehearsals going? How are the rehearsals going on? How many days have you rehearsed till now? And what's the plan?
I think today is my 4th day of rehearsal and we're pretty much there. But it's just that, you know, so that ease what we get, or the moment when you know that okay, the job is done and you have completed, is actually when you get a relief. So no matter how much we practice, unless we don't hit the stage, we are like, कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे.
No, but you are really burning the dance floor right now. I just saw it and it's fantastic.
Thank
I must
you.
tell you. But how did you come on board for this tour? How did it happen?
Well, technically, or if I have to give you an insight, I really don't know. But as a matter of fact, that it is in collaboration with Sohail Khan Productions.
Yeah.
So because I am close to the Khan Khandan and you know, I know everybody, and again I have debuted with a Sohail Khan production film. So I think that is how it all happened. So I'm just, you know, trying to join the hooks that way. So I'm just trying to link how it must have happened.
We have so many stars on the tour. Sonakshi is there, Prabhudeva is there, Badshah is there, Salman is there. So who do you think is going to set the stage on fire? Apart from you, obviously.
I'm really looking forward to Prabhu sir actually because there are steps what only he can do and nobody else. So yeah, that is something that I really am looking forward to, because yes, when it comes to Salman Khan, you know, he is known for his cool, charismatic way of dancing and all. Sona, again, she is very good with her interactions and again dancing. Like what I feel, Sona is more of a soul dancer. So you just enjoy looking at her dancing. Bipasha again is a good dancer, and Badshah, what do we say, his music.
Yeah. So what part of the tour actually excites you the most?
The chaos actually.
Yeah, it's really chaotic.
Because yeah, we doing shows back to back and in different cities all together. So it's like we did the show tonight and tomorrow we are doing it in a different city. So basically we don't have the time for recovering from the show which we have just done, and then there's a show within 24 hours. So I think I'm really looking forward for the chaos right now, which is actually, you know, putting me into a very bad state, because I don't know how I'm going to do it, but
well, everyone does it. In
exactly,
the end,
yes.
But acting stuff. But how difficult is a live performance according to you?
I don't think live performances are difficult that way, because you know, one thing what you have to be very careful with live performances is because you have just one chance. It's make it or break it. So that's about it. So you have to be very, very thorough with your homework. And again, come on, everybody does, you know, screw up with the steps and all. Like me being a dancer, yes, even I forget my steps. But then the key thing is that you don't get it on your face that, oh, I just forgot a step. So
but have you ever actually had
many
that?
times. Many times.
Any one instance you would like to tell us?
I think when I was doing my first performance for Star Screen Awards.
Okay.
So I was doing this Rail Gaadi song, and then I missed one step, and I was like, oh, okay, let me just go on with it. So.
But what goes into the making of a live performance? Like you guys have to select the songs and their costumes and everything.
Yes, because it is more of a teamwork where you alone cannot think of anything. You have to have your costume designer with you. You have to have the choreographer with you. So it's basically more on the creative aspect with you know, assurance of all 6 people or 7 people or how many people are there on board. So one person cannot take the decision. It is a joint decision.
But how do you choose songs? How do you choose costumes? Do you generally do it yourself? I mean, is it your say
No, so
first?
I'll tell you how it works. So basically, first you do a meeting with the choreographer, understand what kind of performances he is looking for. Then again, choreographer also has this in mind that I have these many artists and I have these many songs. So I'm going to divide all these songs equally so that, you know, and again, when it's a performance, you need to have a breather song in between.
Yeah, obviously.
So that is so it goes on a graph. So one up, one down, one up, one down. So that is so it is more of a mental work for the choreographer actually.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. Okay, so we've seen a lot of live shows. Recently, we had the Dream Team tour. People have this habit of comparing and all, but does that affect you at all?
Well, if you pay attention, it will. If you don't, then it's better to ignore, right?
Yeah,
I mean, I prefer focusing on the positivity than the negativity.
True. But how different is this tour from the rest, according to you?
How different? There's only one statement to it because Salman Khan is doing a tour after 12 years.
Yeah.
I think that is enough to say.
But any special act that you're going to perform?
I'm doing one solo act, which is only me. There's one act with Mr. Khan, and there's one finale, which is more like a relay. So, you know, all of us come in, go out, come in, go out.
Okay.
So, yeah, that relay is going to be a very special act because that is where the entire chaotic stuff is going to happen.
Yeah, but you've done so many performances. Which was your favorite till now?
My favorite till now? I think I liked Tu Isak Mera, which I did for Stardust.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And after the Bang tour,
Yeah, even I do this many times, so it's okay.
what's next for you in terms of movies and all?
Movies, I have just finished shooting for Ram Ratan. We are left with one song. Rest we are done with. So once I'm back from the tour, I have to go for my shoot, and then month and a half we are ready with the release of the film. And then there are two other things which is so I can't really talk about it, but it's pretty much exciting about.
Are those big
It's
films
like
with?
I'm like this. I so want to say it and I can't.
Is it with Mr. Khan?
That is so there, but no, there's something else also.
Okay, that is also there. Okay, that's about the end of the first segment. Now we come to the rapid fire segment. So tell us, who's the hottest actor according to you?
Salman Khan.
Who's the hottest actress according to you?
Deepika Padukone.
Best dancer?
Moe.
Huh? Moe. Oh, yeah, you are. I can tell you.
No, that's not the case. But when it comes to hard work, when it comes to dancing, I have not seen anybody rehearse like Katrina Kaif. Like she literally rehearses for hours and hours when it comes to dancing, and hence we see the efforts in the song. So I think Katrina Kaif, yes.
Okay. Who's the fashionista of Bollywood according to you?
Sonam Kapoor.
Okay. The star of the Bang tour. I know.
Star of the Bang tour.
Yeah.
I would say Manish Paul because he's going to make everybody laugh.
Okay. Person you are looking forward to bond with during the tour?
As a matter of fact, everyone, because I've met Sona many times, so I've known Sona, so there is a kind of a bond. We actually connect on a very different level. But I think Bipasha is someone whom I don't really know as a person, so I think Bipasha would be the person whom I really would like to know.
And the best performer in your team, what do you think? Who do you think?
You really want me to answer that?
You can, if you want to.
No, everybody is good in their own way, but when it comes to dancing, let me be very sure about this and very like putting my foot down and saying it. Yeah, when it comes to dancing, my act is the most dancing one.
You gotta see it. You guys will see it. Okay, so the next segment is one word for the following. So, Salman Khan.
Hot.
Live shows.
Gotcha.
Dance.
Me.
The Bang tour.
We.
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan.
Star.
Sonakshi Sinha.
Sweet.
Okay. Bollywood.
Surprising.
Nepotism.
I don't know.
Love.
Family.
Relationships.
My dog.
Oh yeah, I've seen a lot of photos and videos
Yeah,
on Snapchat.
she's my Snapchat
Yeah.
famous dog.
Your favorite filter on Snapchat?
The dog filter.
Yeah, it's actually cute. Marriage,
Away.
fitness,
Always.
summer.
Hot.
Yeah, I know. Okay, the next segment's the hook step segment. So I'll give you 3 hook steps. You have to show us
Okay.
the hook steps. The first one's the bunk.
I don't have a belt. The bung, the bung, the bung, the bung.
Chikni chameli.
चिकनी चमेली चुपके अकेली पौआ चढ़ा के आई
And Sheila ki Jawani.
शीला शीला की
You are
जवानी
acing it. I must tell you guys, you have to look out for her. I'm telling you. Okay, so lastly, show us a simple step that people can, do it at a party, do it at a sangeet or anything.
Okay, so there's one step which I really think that you don't really have to do something. It's like cross your hands and pluck the mangoes. So this is like, I really love this Daler Mehendi step because you're not really doing anything,
Yeah.
you're just moving your hands, not even your lower body, nothing. So the most easiest step to do.
Okay, so give a message to your fans. Tell them what they should expect from the Dabang tour and anything else if you want to say to your fans.
So, like all you guys know that we are coming to all these cities with this The Bang tour. We're really looking forward to perform for you guys and we really hope that you enjoy it. So, again, lastly, the love and the support that you guys give us is impeccable and please, I hope that it just grows bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Daisy Shah and you are watching me on Bollywood Live. To see the exclusive footage of my rehearsals for the Bang tour, it's right here.